After quite a hiatus, we're back with another segment now about the popular commentary screen reader. And this week, Karene Kiwan demonstrates the audio click function.
Hi. One of my favorite features of CSR, Commentary Screen Reader or GShow, is functions. Functions is a feature that opens endless possibilities. Even if you are like me, not a programmer, I don't have programming knowledge, but you will be able to create useful functions that will save you time and effort. For advanced users, the programming language that is used is the Lua programming language.
Discard. Back.
Before I start, I want to thank everyone who gave me any information related to CSR functions, especially Alisar, one of the Arabic translators of GShow. She helped me a lot. She taught me many things. And also some Arabic tutorial creators on YouTube, as well as some members of the English official GShow group on Telegram. In simple words, what's a function? It's a way to program the screen reader or to let it do tasks. For example, go to an application and press a certain button, go to notification shade and turn on mobile data, turn off Wi-Fi, clearing all recent applications, and much, much more. I will talk about some basics, and in order to create a successful function, you should know the exact steps you want your screen reader to do, and you should be familiar with some symbols, and you should know how to type your steps, how to insert your steps, and I will talk about the auto-click function and discuss some basics. So to click an item, you should add the exact text of the item or paste it, and you can type some of the text with a star sign. I will talk about its benefits later. Now, I will go to GShow program settings and create a new auto-click.
Main menu. Program settings.
Program settings.
GShow Plus. Home. 20 min. Theme. Operation setting. TTS. General settings.
And general settings.
GShow Plus. Custom gesture scheme settings.
Custom gesture scheme settings.
Custom.
Here I can assign gestures. This was discussed and covered by Mariam in previous episodes, so I'll not go into details. More options.
Right and up gesture. Left, up, right and left. Share. More options. Create a new function.
Here I can create a function and I can just paste the text of the function if it was shared with me.
Create a new automatic click function.
Automatic click.
Function manager.
Function manager. Here I can edit and delete functions.
Create a new automatic click function.
Automatic click function.
Showing English US
Let's call
QWERTY
it
keyboard.
test.
S T A R T. Test.
And press on OK.
Cancel. OK. Test. English US QWERTY keyboard hidden.
I should say that functions is available for free users, and this is a great addition to the free version. Now, each step should be on a separate line. Each step should be between quotation marks and followed by comma. The quotation marks and the commas will be added after I save in this auto-click function. And so, in this example, what I want my screen reader to do is to open WhatsApp, press on more options, then go to settings, then move to the next focusable element 6 times. So I'll start with the steps. The first step is to open WhatsApp. To open an application, you have to put the greater than sign, then the name of the app directly after the greater than sign. So, also you can press on more options.
Text box. More option. Save. More option.
And
insert application.
Insert application.
Application.
I have the list of apps and I can search.
Run one voice English. Enter keyword. Showing English US QWERTY key. E.
Just
W. H. WH.
Above the keyboard.
WhatsApp. WH. WhatsApp.
WhatsApp. Just double tap.
Test. Greater than WhatsApp.
Okay. So now I will double tap.
Showing English US QWERTY keyboard.
The keyword is opened again.
To end.
To end.
To top.
To top.
To end.
To end. So by double tapping, I'm moving between the top of the text and the end, or the start of the beginning of the text and the end of the text. So the second step is to go to more options. I can type more options. I can paste more options. And I can type the exact button. The exact button ID, I mean. So this is useful sometimes, so I'll show you how to do it. Now I'll go to WhatsApp.
Home screen 1 of Home. WhatsApp. WhatsApp.
And focus on more options.
Karene yesterday. More options. Search. More options.
And I'll go to the main menu.
Main menu. More. Cancel. Edit. More. More. Cancel. Virtual. Quick. Virtual. Enable. Edit. Advanced. Notific. Disable. Program. Tools. Extensions.
Extensions.
Simple Node Info by Virad Rajan.
Simple Node Info by Virad Herajan. I hope I'm pronouncing his name right. You can download it, of course, using the download additional resources. So double tap on this.
More options. _overflow.
Okay, so menu item overflow. This is the last word, and this is the exact actual button ID. So I'll select it using the function menu, upright gesture.
Function menu. Clear. Select. Select.
And
Selection mode. More unchecked. Option. _overflow unchecked. Checked. Select. Cancel. Copy.
copy.
Cancel. More. Cancel. Home screen 1 of 2.
Okay, returning back to Gshow.
Read sense. 1 iPhone. WhatsApp. Gshow Plus. Showing English US. QWERTY keyboard. Showing recently copied or captured
So if I just paste this, this means that it will search for this exact words. So this is not the thing that I wanted to do because it will not be able to find it. So I want to let it know that this is the exact button ID. So I will put the number sign, then followed by the
Shift enable. Hash. Shift disabled.
Okay, so number sign and paste.
Function menu. Select. Copy. Append. Paste. Test. _overflow.
Let's see.
Greater than WhatsApp hash sign _. Words. Character. Word. _. New line. Hash. M.
Okay, let's go to end
To end.
and go to new line
Enter. New line.
and type settings.
S. E. T. Y. T. I. N. B. N. G. S. Settings. Enter.
New line.
New line.
So it will search for settings and click it. Now I wanted to move to the next focusable element 6 times. Those things that are related to CSR, I put them, and before them I put the % sign. There are a lot of them, like increasing a slider, decreasing a slider, going to home screen, moving back, going to notification shade, main menu, and a lot of others. Also some parts of the settings like TTS settings, accessibility settings that will take me to the system accessibility settings. I can just go to more options.
More options.
And
Granular editing mode. Insert function.
insert function.
Function.
Here I have them.
English US. QWERTY keyboard hidden. Select navigate. Previous element. Next. Monitor the currently focused
Also I
element.
can search.
Focus. Quick clicking mode. Previous user. Next usable element.
I will select this. I can just copy its name and put % sign before it and paste it. And I can just double tap.
Test.
It was added. So now I want it to go 6 times. I will not repeat this step 6 times. I will put the less than sign, then put the number of times I want it to repeat, so it's 6.
Greater than WhatsApp hash sign _overflow setting. Showing English US. To end.
I will
Enter. Delete. New line deleted.
delete the new line that was added and put less than, which is long pressing the U on Gboard.
U. Element 2. Enter. Delete. Element.
Okay.
Y.
So
U.
long pressing U.
U. Alternatives. Delete.
Just
Element. U. Less than sign.
Okay.
Alternatives are dismissed.
And put the number 6.
5, 6, 6.
Okay. Let's see.
N. Sticker key. Capital. Greater than WhatsApp app. Less than. T.
So
Less than.
T less than
6.
6. Now my steps are finished. So I will save.
Greater than. More. Save.
And
New notification.
close.
Test. Close. Greater than. Close. Custom.
Before I show you how this function is and before testing it, I will talk about some additional symbols. We said that greater than will open an application. But if I put the greater than sign after a button or item, or words, I mean, of an item, I mean that the program will wait for a specific number of seconds before terminating the function if it's unable to press or click the button or the thing that I wanted to click. And I will put, of course, the number of seconds. So sometimes this is useful because some apps may take some time to load, or some buttons will not appear on the screen directly, like this, the skip ad. So if I want on YouTube to skip ad, I can put the skip ad and then greater than 6, let's say. So it will wait for 6 seconds. But if it's able to find it before the 6 seconds, it will press it and continue the function. Now, the less than sign, if I put it before an item or button, that means that it will not click it, it will focus it. So I'm saying instead of clicking this, just focus it. Also, I have the star sign. So if I want to turn on and off mobile data, so I see that mobile data, sometimes it's mobile data on, sometimes mobile data off. So it's according to its state. So I just put mobile data and then star sign. That means that I'm asking it to ignore everything after this mobile data. So it will click it, whether it's on, whether it's off. If I put the star sign before, that means, before the words, that means ignore everything before this. And if I put the star, the words between star signs, that means that ignore what is before and what is after those words. I have the dollar sign, which means if I put it after something, that means, and I put the number, and the number here is in milliseconds. This means that just wait this amount of time before doing the next step. So like the dollar 1,000 means 1 second.
Charging stopped. Battery level is 100.
Okay, so those are some basic symbols. So now I will show you how is my function.
Up gesture. More option. Share. More options. Create function. New voice command. Function manager. Custom. Go. Test. Test. If service dot click greater than WhatsApp hash sign manathem underscore overflow settings percent next for usable element less than 6 return true and return true. Words. True. Return. End. True. Return. 6. Element. For next. Settings. Characters. New line. Quote. S. Words. S. Manathem underscore overflow. Character. Quote. Hash. M. E. N. U. I. T. E. M. O. V. E. R. F. L. O. W. Quote. Comma. New line. More option. Save. Custom. Single tap. Double tap with 2 fingers set.
So now I will test it.
Single. Double tap with 2 fingers set.
Okay, I will let it be for the gesture of double tap with 2 fingers. So I want to assign a gesture for this function.
Single. Double tap with 2 fingers. Double. WH. Vo unchecked. W. Vo. Test. TE unchecked. Test unchecked. Custom.
Okay, I'll go to my home screen.
New notification from
And
Visual Plus saved.
double tap with my 2 fingers. Oh,
WhatsApp. Settings. Navigate up. Settings. Karene. QR code. Account privacy, security, chat theme, wallpapers, chat history.
so it did what I asked it to. I finish this demo. Let me add a few things. The @ symbol. The @ symbol, I put it and I put an app name. This means that this thing will not be done unless I'm in the particular application. Like more options at WhatsApp. This means it will not try to find and press more options unless I'm in WhatsApp. Another thing is if I create more than one autoclick and I put them in a function, this means it will try to search for the first autoclick if it's it will try to do the first autoclick. If it's unable to start it, it will go to the next autoclick and try to do it. This is useful sometimes. Let's give an example. If I want with the same gesture to send the voice message, and if it's not recording, to just long press the record button and lock the recording. So I will create an autoclick for the send button, to press the send button, and the other autoclick, the second autoclick, will be to long press, focus, and then long press the voice message button and swipe up to lock it. So it will search for the send. If it's unable to, it will do the second one. Now, also you should know about that in those functions that I talked about with %sign, you have the row long press and row click. Sometimes the accessibility click will not work, or the accessibility long press will not work. So you can just try to use the row long press and the row click. And also you have the row swipe up, swipe down, swipe left, and swipe right. So this was my demo of some stuff related to basics in functions, especially the autoclick. And I hope that I was clear enough. I'm sorry for any mistake. And I really hope that experts will do more tutorials in English related to functions. This is really a very interesting topic. And I think that maybe this is the best feature in CSR. Thank you for listening.
Thanks very much, Karene.